Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to calculate mean by direct method. So here is the question. A company is planning to improve plant safety. For this, accident data of the last 50 weeks were collected. The data are grouped into frequency distribution and is shown below. We have got number of accident and number of weeks. Number of accidents 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 9 and 20 to 24. Whereas number of weeks are given 5, 22, 13, 8 and 2. What does it mean? It means number of accidents 0 to 4 were observed for 5 weeks. Number of accidents 5 to 9 were observed for 22 weeks and so on. So we are required to calculate mean for number of accidents per week. So we are required to find out number of accidents per week. So find out mean of number of accidents per week. Fine. So the formula for direct method is something like this. X bar is equal to 1 by n into summation of fi mi, where I is equal to 1 till n. So this is the formula for finding mean by direct method. So let us replicate this problem into another table. So I'm going to write here number of accidents. Then I'm going to write mid value. Mid value is nothing but xi. Then number of weeks, which is given already. This number of weeks is what? Number of weeks is frequency I, Fi. Then we need, this is mid value is Mi, yeah. So we have to find out what? Fi, Mi. So write down all the values and we will start calculating it. Number of accident is given what? 0 to 4. 0 to 4. Then 5 to 9. See here. 5 to 9. 10 to 14. 15 to 19. And 20 to 24. This is already given to us. Now we have to find mid value for all those things. So in order to find out mid value, we need to add lower value and upper value, lower range and upper range of the class and divide it by 2. So 0 plus 4 by 2 is going to be 2. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 by 2 is going to be 7. This is going to be 12. This is going to be 34 by 2, 17. And this is going to be 44 by 2, that is 22. So how we did? Add this plus this divided by 2, 5 plus 9 divided by 2, 7, 10 plus 14, 24 divided by 2, 12 and so on. Now, frequency was given to us respectively. You can see here 5, 22 13, 8 and 2. So we have to multiply now both of them. So Fi, Mi, so 5 into 2 is going to be what? 10. 22 into 7, 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14 and 1, 15, 154. 13 into 12 is 156. 17 into 8, 136, and 22 into 2, 44. So in order to get this, what we need to do? We need to do summation of Fi, Mi, right? So we need to what? And we need to find out n. N is what? N is nothing but n. N is equal to what? Summation of Fi. So we need to add this and we need to add this. So let us add this. This is 0, 0 and 5. This is 500 and this 8 plus 2, 10, 5 plus 3, 10. This is going to be 50. So we got value of n as 50 and value of Fi, Mi as 500. Now put everything into this formula. X bar equal to what? 1 by n into summation of Fi xi, right? That was our formula, is equal to 1 by n. 1 n we got to how much? 50 into 500. So we are getting what? 10. So 10 accidents so we got what? Summation of n is what? Summation of Fi, that is if you add all these things we are going to get 50. This we add, we got 500 FIMI and we put everything into this formula. So we are getting what? 10 accidents per week. Fine. So this is what we used here, what? Direct method. This is formula for what? Direct method. This formula is what? Direct method. So by direct method, we got this answer. Hope you understood it.